Understanding, it grinds my gears, a guide to expressing frustration in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a popular English phrase that's often used to express frustration. It grinds my gears. Whether you've heard it in conversations, movies, or TV shows, understanding this expression can help you better express your feelings and connect with native speakers. So, let's dive into what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, "it grinds my gears," is a metaphorical way of saying that something is annoying or frustrating to you. Imagine the gears in a machine not working smoothly, causing noise and resistance. Similarly, when something grinds your gears, it disrupts your peace of mind or irritates you. It's a colorful expression that vividly conveys the feeling of being bothered by something or someone. While the exact origin of "it grinds my gears" isn't clear, it gained widespread popularity through its use in media, particularly in the animated TV show, Family Guy. The character Peter Griffin uses it in a segment called "What Grinds My Gears," where he rants about various things that annoy him. This humorous take has helped the phrase become a common way for people to express their frustrations in a somewhat light-hearted manner. Using "it grinds my gears" is quite simple. You can use it when you want to talk about something that irritates you. Here are a few examples. It grinds my gears when people are late to meetings. You know what really grinds my gears? When people talk during movies. It grinds my gears when people don't clean up after their pets. It's important to note that while the phrase is informal, it's not considered rude. However, it's best used in casual conversations rather than formal settings. English has a rich vocabulary for expressing frustration. Here are a few other phrases you might find useful. "That really bugs me. It gets on my nerves. That irks me. It rubs me the wrong way." Each of these expressions can be used interchangeably with "it grinds my gears," depending on the context and your personal preference. And that's everything you need to know about the phrase, "it grinds my gears." We hope this video has not only helped you understand what it means but also how you can use it to express your own frustrations in English. Remember, learning how to express your feelings accurately is a key part of mastering a language. Thanks for watching, and don't let anything grind your gears too much today.